In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Logitech mouse M170 with your computer. This is a PC, but it also works on Mac computers. So the first step is, well, obviously make sure that you have a battery in the compartment right over here. And then you're gonna notice over here, you may have a USB dongle. It looks just like this one. And by default, when you buy the mouse, it's inserted there. So take it out, close this lid. You can turn on the mouse by switching it on with this switch. Take the dongle and plug it into your computer. Now, newer computer may not have a USB type A port, so you will need one of these tiny adapter where you connect the USB type A into the adapter and it becomes USB type C. I'll put a link in the description if you do not have one of these and you need one. My computer has a USB type A, so I'll go ahead and insert it right over here. And by default, it should start working right away. As you see, the cursor is moving, and this is the first time, by the way, I'm connecting both of these devices together. If you want to get into the mouse settings on a PC, you're going to go over here in the search bar. On a Mac, you're going to have a magnifying glass on the top right corner, and you simply have to type mouse in both of these, Mac or PC. And you're going to see mouse settings, tap, and you'll be able to change the different settings. So the pointer speed, the scrolling speed, and many other things. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.